Alexa, ano naman masasabi mo, ang tagal na plinano itong draft, finally natuloy na.
Oo nga, sobrang tagal. And finally, we're all here. Who would have thought na aabot tayo sa ganitong point in our lives also, being part of the volleyball community, di ba? Kala natin, maglalaro-laro na tayo hanggang college, but now we're really legit na pro with all this drafting. So we're just very, very happy for the league itself. We're happy for the players. We're happy for all the siguro owners of the team owners kasi syempre I think lahat naman tayo magbe-benefit din dito, but ako proud ako kasi napaka-successful ng first ever draft ngayong taon, kaya naman excited na kami sa mga magpapadraft ulit next year. We're very excited for all of you, so yun lang.
Ano lang sinabi mo dun sa 24 na undrafted players?
Oo nga, well, I said syempre hindi rin, alam mo yun, we all want them to be part of the community also, and they're still part of the community, free agents sila ngayon. So I told them this is just a stepping stone for them na para abutin yung mga teams also nila to be part of any teams here in the PBL, and it's just the beginning. This is the first draft, so marami pa sila mga opportunities na mapupuntahan and mag-open sa kanila. So kapit lang, tiyaga lang, and work harder and smarter. Thank you, guys.
Thank you po.